how to manage your favorite quotes on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and then click on your profile. Now click edit. Now click the 3 points and click edit profile. Then scroll down and click interests, and here we'll find favorite quotes. Click on it and type here anything you want. Just type anything you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.